Hey guys, this is Mike from B Tech Reviews here, and today I wanted to share with you guys a $20 off promotion for Visible Wireless, or I guess it's just called Visible. But I've been actually using this phone company that piggybacks off Verizon for a little more over than a year now, I believe, and I think it's probably one of the best prepaid carriers out there as far as not having to go to a Boost Mobile store or having to go to again like a Cricket Wireless or anything like that. This is a company where you just literally can go jump on their website, order their phones, or get a SIM card. As long as you have an unlocked phone, you can order one of their SIM card kits. They'll send you the SIM card kit, and you can actually pay no more than $40 a month. They do have what's called Party Pay, which again you can get your bill down to $25 a month, right? But if you're a new customer, which this video is mostly for, let's go ahead and get into it. We can go ahead and give $20 off and get $20 off this promotion over here. Basically, all you have to do is refer a friend, and you'll both receive $20 off a month of Visible service, right? And again, I went ahead and shared my code in the description for you. But if you guys want, you can look at it right there. It's this specific code as I'm highlighting it. And again, guys, it'll be in the description of this video. And I just wanted to share this because, again, I've been using Visible for again a little more than a year now, and I guess since like 2020 actually, when I decided to test it out and see how the service works. And obviously it's going to depend where you are and where you're from, right? If you get a good service, right, again it piggybacks off Verizon, and Verizon is technically supposed to be the best service, right? So again, you just go to visible.com, again click the link in the description, and you can, if you're a new customer, you can get $20 off here. And again, just so I can, show you guys the website itself, wireless made for the single life, right? Get unlimited data, text, and hotspot for as low as $25 a month on the Verizon Power Network. Cut out complicated family plans and enjoy the simplicity of a single line, right? So again, you can bring your phone or you can shop phones, right? And again, paid in advance, no commitment, as low as $25 a month. You get unlimited data, talk, text, unlimited mobile hotspot, no surprise fee, same low cost every month. So that's again, if you're paying the $40, it's $40, no added fees. If you are with Party Pay and you're getting the discount of $25, you're only paying $25, no added fees, no extra taxes, anything like that. So again, let me go ahead and click the Visible plan. And again, I think it's pretty good because again, you start off at $40 a month. Our single line plan gives you all the bells and whistles for $40 a month, or for as little as $25 a month through Party Pay. So again, if you have family members that want to use the service as well, right? All you have to do is just give them the code, and you'll actually get an extra $5 a month deducted per family member that you sign up. Again, down to $25 though. So again, you guys get unlimited 5G and 4G LTE data, talk and text, right? Unlimited mobile hotspot, which again, mobile hotspot with unlimited data and speeds at 5 megabits per second, which for most people, 5 megabits per second is pretty good. You're still actually able to stream YouTube videos, Netflix, Hulu. If you're just streaming off a device, you can do that. Calling or texting to Canada or Mexico. Again, let's read the small disclaimer there. Oh, okay, hold on. I clicked something. Small disclaimer, I'm sure, but again, with Visible, you can call or text your loved ones to Canada or Mexico, the U.S. Virgin Islands, again, and Puerto Rico at no additional cost. Restart your phone to begin making calls to Canada and Mexico. After restarting, calls will be fully enabled. To make calls to Mexico, remember to dial 011 first. So again, that's pretty cool. And again, I'm sharing this on my Twitter just so you guys can check it out. You can bring your own number. So, if you have a number that you're bringing over from like T-Mobile or other lines, you can go ahead and do that. Again, it's a single line plan, right? So it's no annual contract. So again, if you decide to not pay, they are going to disconnect your service. Although just keep in mind that after a specific amount of time, you can lose the number that you have. So just keep that in mind. Taxes and fees are included. It's got scam protection to block unwanted calls, and Visible is powered by Verizon. So again, unlimited 5G, 4G talk, right? Again, this is compared to like AT&T and T-Mobile companies, right? $40 a month, right? Unlimited 5G, 4G hotspot, unlimited calling to Mexico. Of course, keep in mind that the hotspot is capped out at 5 megabits per second, so you're not going to get faster speeds than that. $0 activation fee. Taxes and fees are included. Same cost with or without auto pay, right? So again, it's $40 a month all in, or again, you can get it as low as $25 a month. with that. So just keep that in mind. Again, you can try Visible for free also. So again, you know, take a 15-day test drive. We're confident the Visible can get in the ring with any competitor. Maybe I'll make a separate video about that. A plan for your Apple Watch 2. So you can get several little things here. And again, this is the promotion I'm offering, guys. Bring a friend, and again, you got $20 off. So again, if you guys are new to Visible, we'll go ahead and get into that. I think I'm probably going to make another video about the you know, testing out the Visible for $15 a month. I think that's pretty good. I do have a phone with an eSIM in it, I believe, which is a Google Pixel 5a, so I might actually use that. But again, you know, we'll check that out and see how that goes, right? But again, guys, this is Mike from BTech Review signing off. I just wanted to kind of let you guys know about this promotion. And again, you guys can check out the link in the description, and you guys can use that to your benefit. So again, this is Mike from BTech Review signing off. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next time.